What's up, y'all? Sherry, and we honestly about to just jump into the video. The beauty supply. I like to put some glue. I like to put some eyelash glue on my eyebrows, like so, like that, just so they can stay in place all day. And y'all, when I say this, I'm about to go in with the Kiss Professional eyebrow pencil. And it's also really small, y'all. It's like chisel side, like, so if you like natural eyebrows, I suggest you get this. Like, go get it. Okay, now that I'm done doing my eyebrows, I'm gonna take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm gonna conceal up under my eyebrows. Y'all already know the routine. Go get this. This is like probably the best concealer you can get. Okay, I have already prepped and set my eyelids for my eyeshadow, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Ruby Kisses No More Blemish. This is in the color Chestnut. And this is a powder, guys. Like, I haven't used a powder in so long, but I want to try it. And then also it comes with this little pouch, you know. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, now y'all, now that is too dark. I had another shade, I don't know what it's in, so I don't know. Let me see y'all. Let me see. But if this was in, like, if this was in my shade, like, it really would have been cute. Like, I'm still gonna make it cute. Watch. I saw, when I went to the beauty supply, I saw this, it's by Isme, New York. And it's purple. And purple is cute or whatever. And it's like foreshadows. Like, they haven't made all types of colors. Like, they just don't come in purple. I'm gonna take the dark purple shade and I'm just gonna make me an outline with it. This eyeshadow definitely did not pass the vibe check. I don't recommend it. Don't get this shit. A waste of fucking money. Y'all look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. I gotta bring this back. Now let me put y'all on. I'm about to take the New York Kiss Professional All Day Ink eyeliner in the color Black is Black. Y'all, when I say this eyeliner, like, it definitely gives, like, it gives what need to be gave. It glides on. I love it. Okay, now I threw on my lashes, and I also did a little bit of, you know, a little glitter, you know, to bring back the look, because it just was, it wasn't giving. Let's just be real with it. It wasn't giving. I don't like these. I don't like it. Okay, now let's just blend this out. This is the Kiss Cream Foundation 3D Face Creator. in the colors level 16. Basically, I'm gonna contour my face. Now I didn't expect this to be like these. Now this is just too pigmented. Y'all look. Now I did not expect it to be like this. But as you can see, it's definitely giving. Like, don't play with it. I'm gonna go in with the Kiss Professional Contour Kit in the color Deep Profound. And I'm really just gonna, you know, set my contour. I'm gonna use these two colors. Okay guys, we're almost done, but not quite. I'm gonna take this same contour kit and I'm gonna use this highlighter that they provide. And I'm just gonna sit that on my nose. And for my lips, I'm gonna take a brown pencil and just outline. And then I'm gonna take this Kiss New York Professional lipstick in the color Chastity. It's like a pink color. And I'm just gonna mix it in. Then I'm gonna take the Ruby Kisses Creamlicious Triple Butter Matte Lip Cream. And it's in the color New York, New York. And I'm just about to put that on top. To set, I'm gonna use the Kiss Professional Pro Touch. Y'all, this thing been everywhere. I love this. I love it. This beats Morphe, it beats NYX. I love this one. Slay on the budget, girl. Go back to the Beauty Supply, back home, girl. Look at these. It's definitely giving. I hope you guys enjoyed this Beauty Supply store look. I really like it. It's really pretty. It's giving what it's supposed to be gave, girl. Like it's doing it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel at itsherryb. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post a boop boop. Also, you know, you can connect with your girl on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter at @thesherryb. Bye guys. See you guys later.